Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. I would love to see if you consider to subscribe my channel. Today you are gonna watch one of the most oddly satisfying unclogging video. This is not the storm water, not the rainy water, it's not the flood, it's only the overflow. There is only one sewer line blocked which run almost near about 20 streets in this town which are ultimately connected with this sewer line. Have you ever seen before the situation like this when all the area or town is drawn in sewage? I don't think so. Let's find out where is the blockage. Blocked span or blocked drain has been found. This manhole is empty almost. There is no sewage in this manhole. This manhole is empty because this sewer line is very near to disposal station. Otherwise, the sewer lines which are far away from the disposal station, you cannot see or find an empty manhole like this, especially when the time is 3 or 4 p.m. Disposal station is only, I think, 500 yards away from this sewer line or this point. Manhole is blocked, which is creating a mess everywhere.
ਉਹ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਇਆ ਚੱਲ ਜਲੀਏ ਉਹ ਟੱਕਾ ਲਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ
Here we go. Sewer line got functional, and the level of this manhole is start decreasing. Sewage is coming from all around. Let's see what is the situation of previous manhole.
ਹੜ
First, we have found a bottle of alcohol,
ਇਹਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ
and let's
ਪਾਣੀ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ
see
ਉਧਰੋਂ ਪਰਾਂ
what
ਨੂੰ
we are
ਕਰ
going to find more.
ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਸਾਥ
OMG, this manhole is totally filled with rubbish. I think this is a supermarket. You can find anything in this manhole. You're gonna see it. Bottles,
ਉਹ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ
the
ਕੰਪਲੇਂਟ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ
balls, clothes,
ਆਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਖੜਨਾ ਤੇ
hairs,
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜੋ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਹੋਏ
plastic bags, pipes, plastic pipes. Eh, Here we go, one again a bottle, diapers, undergarments, and what not.
ला लेंदे
And inhabitants think this is the fault of department. Due to negligence of department, the sewer lines blocked again and again. Sewage is going back into the manhole with a good speed. This is the main junction of this area, this chalk. So everyone have to go through this chalk to get to their places. As earlier I told you, there are almost 20 streets or 20 sewer lines are connected with this sewer line. So it will take some time to get clear. Staff is again using steel bar to find if there is any unclogging remains. People should learn the usage of sewage so their sewer lines don't block again and again. Their irresponsible behavior caused the sewer line blocked. Alcohol is illegal in my country, so whoever drinks, he throw the empty bottles in sewer lines. So because it's the safest place to get rid from bottles, empty bottles. Sewage is going back into the manhole with a significant speed. It is satisfying to see. If the sewer line is far away from disposal station, then this kind of huge overflow will take approximately 4 to 5 hours to clear. But fortunately, it's very near to disposal station, so it will take approximately about 10 to 15 minutes more to clear all this sewage. Let's see what's the situation of next manhole where staff is working. They find the blockage again from the manhole and removing it back from the steel bar. You can clearly see that it's a piece of a cloth which is also thrown in sewer line. Flow of sewage in the manhole is looking good, and it's looked like it's working smoothly. बराबर हो गया.
आ जा फिर हमारा
Again blockage. Again blockage stuck with steel bar. पानी ऊपर आ रहा है. साधना कड़ी है. मैं फनी वीडियो नहीं बनाता. पानी चढ़िया थोड़ा जिहा जिदा तां ਨੂੰ आया है. ढक्कन थोड़ा जिहा सैड कर देवे ना, पानी छिड़का है. ला दे. After removing that blockage, the speed of sewage going back into the manhole is increased. You can clearly see that. This is one of the previous manhole which is ultimately connected with the sewer line, which is carrying the sewage from 10 streets almost. Road is start to clearing little bit. This is the point which is also connected with that sewer line. Is almost clear, more than 70% it is clear, and there is no sewage. This street still remaining. Here I have found a tiny whirlpool. It's satisfying to see this whirlpool. It's very tiny, so I trying to capture it by zooming. The quantity of sewage which was on road is now decreasing speedily. Now staff is putting back the manhole cover.
Okay.
And clearing the way of sewage so it can go smoothly back into the manhole. Here we go, all the streets and this road is clear which was drawn in sewage. It's very pleasant to see this. It's again requested to please subscribe my channel. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.